In this question, we are asked to convert cot inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus x into simplest form. So how do we do this? So the standard process, we use trigonometric identities. So we have root of 1 plus x square. What should you substitute in the place of x so that root can be removed? So I'll substitute x is equal to tan theta. You can as well substitute x is equal to cot theta also. Okay. So let x is equal to tan theta. So root of 1 plus tan square theta. So root of secant square theta, which is secant theta. So this becomes cot inverse of secant theta minus tan theta. So now let us try to simplify secant theta minus tan theta. So secant theta minus tan theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Is 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to, so what is 1 minus sin theta? I can write this as 1 minus of cos of 90 minus theta by cos theta can be written as sin of 90 minus theta. So why did I convert sin into cos and cos into sin? So that I can apply a standard formulas. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. That is pi by 4 minus theta by 2 divided by sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. Is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 1 sin and 1 sin gets cancelled. So this becomes sin of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 by cos of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. And this can also be written as, you have cot inverse outside. So this can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus of this. That becomes pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So effectively, so secant theta minus tan theta can be written as cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Now this cot inverse and this cot gets cancelled. So the answer is pi by 4 plus theta by 2. And what is theta? Tan inverse x. So pi by 4 plus half tan inverse x. This is the simplest form of cot inverse of this. The answer is pi by 4 plus half tan inverse x. Thank you.